There's an app on your phone that I'm pretty sure you don't use. It's there, but you might not realize its full potential. Every time you see it, you probably choose another app instead. That app is Google Lens. You might have only used it to take a picture and search for something online, but it can do so much more. With Google Lens, you can translate any language into one you understand, whether it's English, French, or Chinese. You can also scan products to compare prices and ensure you're getting the best deal. If you're a student, you'll love this feature. Google Lens can help with your homework. Instead of manually typing questions into Google, just snap a picture and it will instantly provide solutions. Did you know Google Lens could do all this?